Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling the word infrastructural. It may seem a bit long, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with ease. Let's break it down step by step. The correct pronunciation is infrastructural. First, we have in, which sounds just like the word in. Next, fru, where the U is soft, like the U in fun. Then, struck, which sounds like struck without the C. After that, chur, where H is like the H in church, and the is soft, like in fur. Finally, ul, where the U is soft again, like in school. Let's put it all together slowly. Infrastructural. Try repeating after me, infrastructural. Now a little faster, infrastructural. And at full speed, infrastructural. Keep practicing and soon you'll have it down. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Infrastructural refers to anything related to the basic physical and organizational structures needed for the operation of a society or enterprise, like roads, bridges, water supply, and communication systems. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce infrastructural and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video!